Hi, my name is Gulam from Soft City and I am your instructor for teaching of front-end development. Today our topic is iframe tag. What is the use of iframe tag in HTML? An HTML iframe tag is used to display a web page within a web page. So we can say that if we want to display a page inside another page, we will use iframe tag. Let's understand iframe tag by doing some practical example. For this, I will go to my Notepad++ editor. In this, I have created a file name that is html iframe.html. I have created this file because now I assume that all the students would create a new file of Notepad and would able to save the file with the extension .html, and I have written some basic code of HTML already in the file. Now let's type here title HTML iframe tag. Details. For use of iframe tag, the tag with iframe we have to start and tag with the iframe we have to end. With the name of iframe we have to end. After that, we will define some attributes inside starting tag of iframe. For example, first attribute is src, means source of a file, where the file is located that I want to show inside my page. So first I go to my Learn HTML folder and I like to open a already created HTML file like HTML list tag, and it is also placed in our Learn HTML folder. So we have to give the path of this file. For this, inside src I will type here file name, that is HTML list, and extension is .html. You must remember that when we have saved file, we save this file with the extension of .html when we create the file. So let's verify our name HTML list tag. Tag should be also display after the list, because this name should be same as the name of the file saved in the folder. Now if save your file by pressing Ctrl+S, go to your folder again and try to open this file HTML iframe that we have created for understanding of iframe. and open with Google Chrome. You can see iframe within this page is opened with another file. Inside another file I have written some name of fruits inside ordered list tag. After that I have written some name of colors inside unordered. This is unordered list and this is ordered list. And after that I have written third type of description list. So in this way you can use another page content inside your page. Let's change some properties of this iframe. For example, if we want to increase the height of iframe, then the attribute that is height would be used in iframe starting tag like 1000. Save the file, refresh your browser and see the result. Now you can see the height of iframe is increased to 1000. Similarly, we can increase the width of iframe. For this, the attribute is used is width is equal to, let's say, 1000. Save your file, refresh your browser and see the result. Now you can see width is also increased to 1000 times. So in this way you can change the iframe height and width with the use of the properties. Now if you want to remove the border that is around our iframe tag, let's do one more thing, that is, let's type here one heading with the text HTML iframe tag is described in details. Save the file, refresh the browser. Now you can see at the top we have this heading for showing some detail of this iframe element. Save your file again. Now we want to remove the border that is outside this iframe area. So let's change this. For this we have to use inline styling. For this we have to use style attribute is equal to and set the border is equal to none. Save the file, refresh my browser for seeing the output. Now you can see it's look like as a part of that page, not look like inside that page. So for this we have to change border. We can also set some extra border for proper viewness like 2px solid black. Save the file, refresh the browser Now you can see we have a black color border outside our iframe area. So in this way you can change the iframe properties. Now one thing is more, that is, if you use iframe that would be target for a link, an iframe can be used as the target frame for a link. The target attribute of the link must refer to the name attribute of the iframe. So let's try to understand how we target the any iframe tag using a tag, means anchor tag. With starting and you have to must specify the anchor tag with the use of specifying their name. A, inside A I would like to place here, go to Google and save the file. Let's say if we want to go to Google, when we click on this link and the page should be displayed inside this iframe tag. For this we have to first set the attribute of anchor tag, where we want to go, like https complete path of google.com /www.google.com. And one thing is more, inside iframe tag this attribute is very important. This is name is equal to, like, set any name you want. I set here new frame, and inside my anchor tag I will use this name as a target attribute. Like here I will specify target is equal to new underscore name. Save the file. This name and target attribute name should be same. Now let's see the output for this. Let's refresh our browser. There is some mistake inside our code. Let's see what is the mistake. Error is that our, where is our link? Below the page. Let's try to find. Oh, this is on this left side. For proper viewness I will type here BR after the break line, after the iframe tag. Now you can see here it is our link. Now First, understand what is happening. I have defined a anchor tag with the text go to Google. Inside this I have set link of Google, www.google.com, and the target property is equal to new underscore frame. That is the property of iframe. I have set names equal to new frame. Now if I click on the Google, go to Google, the page of Google would be rendered inside this iframe, and all this text of HTML list tag that is already shown in the iframe HTML list tag.html were removed. Let's try to see the result. Refresh the browser, click on go to Google. Now you can see the page of HTML list is gone, and the new page www.google.com refused to connect. There is the issue because the google.com not permissioned this page to be opened inside an HTML page. Directly we can open, but inside this we can't open. They refused. But in this way you can open any link, any website inside any iframe tag using this property, that is target inside anchor tag, and for the connection with the iframe we have to specify names equal to new underscore frame inside iframe tag. So this is our iframe tag. You can use iframe tag as your requirements, and let's see what happened. Just a minute. So that's all. We have studied iframe tag in this tutorial. Now let's see what is next. Next is assignment for students. Students should understand iframe tag functionalities. Students should use iframe tag in a page. Practice all the concepts of this tutorial for better understanding. I will meet you with you in next tutorial. Take care.